Black jeans are the most underrated piece you can wear this fall. And in this video, I'm going to tell you why. Everybody's been wearing blue jeans across the summer, and as you move into fall, I'm going to show you why black jeans are a cheat code. I'm going to explain to you in this video why they're a game changer, how to style them, and why you should be wearing them for the right reasons. So I was recently working with a client, and I've been helping him revamp and transition his wardrobe from summer into the autumn. And the one switch that made the biggest difference, yes, you guessed it, adding black jeans to his whole roster of blue jeans. The results was sharper, more versatile outfits that still looked effortless. In this video, I'll walk through why black jeans beat blue jeans in certain situations, the best colors and textures to pair with them, and how to make them work for casual and smart casual occasions this season. Blue jeans are everywhere, which is fine. But because they're so common, they can sometimes feel predictable. Black jeans, particularly in a more comfortable, slim cut, instantly feel cleaner, sharper, and more intentional, without crossing into dressy pants territory. They like the style sweet spot between rugged denim and tailored trousers. So the magic is found in the color palette. Black jeans look incredible with muted tonal colors, which are ideal for this time of year. Think taupe coats, cream sweaters, and dark olives. They also pair well with both black shoes and brown suedes, which is surprisingly rare in men's style. You get way more shoe flexibility than other pairs of men's trousers. Fall is about texture and depth. With black jeans, you can throw in a white tee or a grey tee, and for example, throw in a show collar cardigan, which will work just fine. Finish in a wool overcoat with the muted tone. Essentially, you're wearing jeans and a t-shirt, but the way you've layered it makes it look more sophisticated and dressy. So you want to avoid the jet black jeans or any jeans with any sort of shiny finish on them. It looks cheap and a bit tacky. Go for a softer wash black or charcoal tone. And keep the fit modern. If you would like a slim cut, go for slim fit or tapered. Avoid skinny at all costs. General rule is comfortable at the thighs and a slight taper to the ankles. So here's the bottom line. Black jeans give you a sharper and more versatile base than blue jeans. They also work with a wider range of shoes, and they fall perfectly into fall's muted and layered looks. If you want something that feels effortless, versatile, yet elevated, then black jeans are your move. If you came to this video looking for more transitional style tips, then you want to catch my next one. I'll be giving you a masterclass for how to style for unpredictable weather that this time of year brings. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found that one useful. If you are really looking to nail your personal style and align it with your personality or even your personal brand, I've left a link in the bio of how to find your style archetype, which is really the foundation of finding your personal style. So go ahead, click the link in the bio in the comments for that. Otherwise, guys, I really appreciate you coming on and checking out the channel. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Also share it with a friend if you think it might help them. Love your comments, love the support in the channel, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.